everyone, it's Troy from Roadside RC. We are back out here at the Big Buddha's RC Ranch in Cookeville, Tennessee. Have a whole host of really awesome RC stuff going on today. They got 3-man competition. They're gonna do some bashing. They built some ramps. So finally, I've been on for a while. We can now have ramps out here so we can do bashing in between. They're doing a raffle for some pretty awesome stuff. I threw in a Haiboxing car and 4 ZOSKAY servos. Thank you to Haiboxing. Thank you to ZOSKAY for that. Definitely go show them some love. I'll provide some links down below to what we're giving away for that. But hey, let's go check it out. Let's go see what we've got. Will my truck fit? That's right.
That thing is amazing.
Dude. Look at that. Dude. $43. I believe. Woo, made it.
That is amazing.
Oh. Oh my gosh.
Now that was sweet.
I would highly suggest you stand on that side of the oh, come on. There we go. It ain't just choking up. Whoa! Hey! Oh my gosh, he landed it! Block it for you. Oh, that. Oh, you almost, hey! Oh, we're gonna claim you meant to do that. Yeah. We're gonna you meant to do that. Made it. That was close, wasn't it? Oh, we got something. Oh, we killed it. It was gonna happen eventually. Oh, what do we get? Oh, we just got bearings. It's literally just a bearing. Oh well, that's too bad. Hey, we're back home now. Man, that was such a great day. We got the X-Maxx on the workbench. Gonna have to fix that hub that snapped out on it. Got the batteries going over to storage charge, crawlers up, all is well. Just want to really thank all of you for supporting the channel. I want to thank Nathan for all that he does out there at the Big Buddha's RC Ranch. And this time we know he had a lot of help, you know, with everybody out there that helps him out. So thank you guys very much. Really appreciate the fact that all you guys do so much work to put such an awesome event on, such an awesome place. Really can't say how fortunate we are to have such an awesome place here in Middle Tennessee to go. All of you, go make sure you're following the Big Buddha's RC Facebook page. Events are scheduled out for this year. I mean, stuff is going on. There's a Sorga comp coming up. There's some other things going on, some open crawl days coming up. All this stuff is happening. So stay tuned. You know there's more coming from that channel. Hey, in the meantime, there's other videos over here. Go watch some of those. See some other stuff that we have going on. And as always, thank you guys for the support. We will see you later. Goodbye.